France government now they don't set new rules and regulations concerning their sexual consent at 15. And now for now we don't know, they don't make it easier now, because before the punishment for person wey rape person it dey less. Some of them 6 months, some of them 1 year, some of them even less than that. So now everybody don't they complain. So now they don't come to one final conclusion. When I know say before, if they rape pikin, they know they see them as rape. They go just to say na abuse. They go just find way, understand? Where they go make me person no just, and the punishment no heavy. Like the thing just, you know, say you get punishment where you go do, where you go feel say yes, I don't do something. So people can complain. So now my people, they don't say na 15. Say if you sleep with under 15, they say na punishment straight too. So now the matter be this way. Some people agree with, some people no agree with. In fact, I beg, if you ask me, oh, no say me, I always tell on my mind, and as it be, I know they support the fact say 15 years now be the age. I like the idea, oh, say they don't increase punishment, say they don't notice. You understand? The plan they good, but you see that 15. Now my problem. At least 18 they okay. Because my people now be say, what did these people they try tell us now be say 15, 16, if you sleep with them, nah, child abuse. Because 16 are still underage. You know, what is 16 years fit do? 16 years still be baby, you still be picking, you still dey your mama house, you understand? But at least 18, you don't get right to your own actions. You feel decide, okay, say nah, I won't get belly. Nah, you know, they see why people 18 years, they give them car. Meaning say they don't dey to a level, they don't dey responsible. You understand? Some of them even they move from their papa house, say, okay, now I want to live on my own. So they believe say 18 are the best one. And now many of you go come to say, hey, I don't cause spoil their show. We show as spoil. So now when they chose small children, I don't understand. What you not even enjoy for this one? Big co. And the fact that they don't tell this one, no come in say una go to do anyhow to above 15, no. Because now many people for their mind since under 15 now punishment. That means from 15 no go punishment. I beg. Now no be wetin mean, because now go one start they misbehave with all those children. They still be children. Now why I don't even understand why government go even bring this kind of law. Now because it don't give many people another option. Imagine say before they do as they like. Now they go just they see. I just they wish say make we even look at the good part. I just they wish say Nigeria fit keep their law like this. All the laws when Nigerians write, we don't even know which drawer they don't put all of them through away. Now the one for homosexuals, the one for raping, the one for killing. Now they don't even they practice any of those laws again. Everybody just they do as they like. Even though these people are not agree with the age, but at least my people see, maybe we learn to they look at the positive side of things. You understand? At least they are the fact they say they get law. Where our law? Where our law? We still they fight ordinary peaceful protest. Say they even want to kill us on top of that one. No, na rape. Before Nigeria go sit down, say they talk about rape case, say they bring law. Maybe 2023 go don't reach, because as at now with the way they see her. Huh? So right now, my people, France boys, they wait, make man go ripe. Because now they don't change their settings. You understand? So many of them now they go just say, okay, well, maybe they wait for them, maybe they grow, maybe they I beg, I don't call of France government. Please, sir. Please. We are not against your movement or your laws. You understand? But I beg, I can't beg. You see that 15? Shift and front. Carry on, add 3 years join, so that these people go fit take their time. You understand? It is very important. This thing make it no go cause another thing, because not everybody go even understand that. Imagine say 15, 16 year they matured now to the row with 46-year-old man. Now what did they try tell us now? Say from 15 you fit. So now I just they imagine 15 go they row with 46-year-old man. I beg, make una change this thing. I know they laugh. You understand? It is very important. Now I bring this thing. Make all of us put, because some people now they go they suffer. Now some person come tell me say, Madam Aproko, you know say people for France, their girls too they get body, they like Ghanaians. You go see 15, you go do it like 26. So now why they bring this law? I beg, if you like, be 15 and look 40. The fact here remains saying it's supposed to start from 18. Now, like that is supposed to be this one. Because I don't agree with her. You understand? So if you don't say you support me for waiting I talk, even if you don't support me, make me battle up for that comment section and give me your reasons. You understand? Not just come tell me say no. Give me your reasons. I go reply on now one by one. You understand? And if you never subscribe, wait till they wait for. Just click on that notification bell too, so that you go get notified anytime when we drop hot videos. Watch out for our next story. Oh, they don't arrest Bobrisky brother for Cameroon. Oh. You know, say they be how we even call themselves? They be brothers in the same business, gender, homosexuality, and gbogbo. They don't arrest this. If you see, now I wanna they try. Oh. This one we get one way even wear yellow. We're not going to even say all of them. Now so they carry all of them because they say that they practice homosexuality. And this thing for Cameroon, they know they use and play. They know, say they know here or they know see you. They go arrest you sharp. My people now the matter where I bring for una now. So for now we don't know who are they talk about. Because I just say once una see and serve, una go dey see Bobrisky inside. So join me, make we watch the video. Buhari, our beloved president, the only one president, every other president na counterfeit. You understand? I beg, I hope say they see these people. You they see Cameroon far from Nigeria. Anyhow, I don't know, but I not sure say the distance go too much. You understand? Come see people, see people we get head where they use their head. No be Nigeria. No be Nigeria. See them. When una see country where they fight for in rights, where they fight to become better, una go know. When una see one, una go know. And Cameroon na one. I know so many of una go come they start a list the bad things where they get, bad things where they do. I not to say they be perfect. I just to say they try. You understand? At least it's better than sitting down doing nothing. No, compare this one now to our own. I not talk anything. Just compare them for your mind and give yourself the answer. You know, since when we don't they fight this homosexuality, same gender, this one. You know, since when? And now them their self can't tell us say anybody where they catch now how many years in prison. No be also now them tell us. So now how it happen? They don't achieve those papers for one corner. They don't even forget say something like that exists. Buhari come here, oh, come here. Not the one way they do anyhow. See Cameroon. I just say by now some Nigerians say they wish say they be from Cameroon because many people don't they call me since. Madam Aproko, I want to change my citizenship. I want to change. Hey, Chineke. See, nothing good like when you dey country and the head of the country is being work. Nothing good like that, oh. Because at least, even if not be 100%, 90%, you dey sure of security. No be Nigeria. See, Bobrisky, James Brown, Uche, Bolu Akupe, they roam about the whole of Nigeria like say, na their papa even get, you understand? Nobody even tell them anything. Nobody. They don't even become celebrity on top of the matter. On my last, my people, we go borrow Cameroonians, their police people, we go exchange. You understand? May they bring the Cameroon police come to our side. Then we go carry Nigerian police go to their side. Even if now for 1 month. Una go see changes wey go happen for Nigeria, una no go believe. We need them. We need them. See these people. Imagine, no, just imagine now. Say you hear, say they don't carry Bobrisky go prison. What a relief. Peace of mind. Because these people, they be bad influence to our younger ones, children. You understand? So we no need them. All of una way they open mouth now. They talk say, you should allow people to live their life, allow people to have a say in their life. Something they work on ahead. Something they work on ahead. Seriously. So when they try talk now, say God no get sense. Now you create yourself. Can you even produce the food you are eating? Not to talk of create human being. Person create you, person decide how your life will be. You won't come bring your own. If God wanted man and man to be, if you know for bring us Adam and Eve, if for bring us Adam and Steve, you understand? But he give man woman and he give woman man, and that's what it's supposed to be. You know, always like they fight some things where you know. See, wow. I beg, all of una we no say, because now no say many of una go come they talk plenty. If you no say this thing dey your body, homosexuality, it dey your body, you no fit change, and you are not ready to change. Ungwano, pack your things and leave Africa, because it is forbidden, it is prohibited in Africa. So pack your things and go, so that we go no say, okay, oh, now we wait there here, because if they allowed for outside, if they allowed, you even feel marry your fellow woman, you feel marry your fellow man, nobody will even question you. But as long as Africa is concerned, because pack your things and go, because we no need that. You understand? They no train us like that. So no can use your own now, can they spoil our team? You know they practice that nonsense here. My people, now the matter be this. Now I say make I bring them, because you don't do too much. And I happy say I just dey pray say as you don't start from Cameroon, you understand? Small, you go they reach our side. Make we continue to dey pray. They very, very important. So drop your comment for the comment section. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, make sure say you subscribe. You understand? I dey beg una be my people. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey share for one-on-one TV. Very, very important. Don't go far. See you later.